Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Subject of the day: earthing transformer or zigzag transformer. Please watch the video. Do like, share and comment on this subject. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Neutral point at every star connected voltage level from generator to transformer is available. If such point due to delta connection is not available, or if neutral point is unearthed at star connection, or if neutral point is desired at bus bar, then there is a most common method of employing an earthing transformer, that is zigzag transformer. An earthing transformer is usually associated with three-phase supply system. On a three-phase system, the neutral would be earthed either directly or through some limiting impedance or resistance. When the neutral is not available or does not exist with a delta secondary winding of the transformer, a neutral point is needed to be created. An earthing transformer consists of zigzag winding is used to create that neutral point. A two-winding but unloaded star-delta transformer may be used to serve same purpose in the case of exigency, where the star winding of correct voltage supplies an accessible neutral point to make earth when connected to the supply system. This is a star-delta transformer. As usual, delta side has no neutral point, so no return neutral path to flow earth fault currents. A zigzag transformers with zigzag primary and star secondary has been connected with the bus RYB. Neutral has been earthed through the primary of a NCT, neutral city. And now earth fault currents return path has been established. Suppose an earth fault occurred at point A of B phase. Earth fault current finds return path to flow through the NCT to neutral point of the zigzag primary and complete its return path. So, during earth fault, relaying is done through earth fault relay, which connected with NCT secondary. Each phase of primary has two equal parts. The three windings each has two parts providing opposite flux during normal condition. Since the flux are opposite, the transformer takes a little magnetizing current during normal operation. Again, during earth fault, on the primary side, ZPS, zero phase sequence current, which have same phase for three currents, IRO, IYO, IBO, flows in the transformer winding through earth connected neutral, the earth fault current gets small impedance to flow within a short period of time. The earthing transformers are short time rating from 10 seconds to 1 minute. Flow of earth fault current through the neutral should be stopped within this stipulated time, otherwise the transformer may be damaged. For example, an 100 kVA transformer, zero phase sequence earth fault current of 551.7 amperes, 551.7 amperes may flow through the neutral in 30 seconds. Flow of earth fault current through the neutral should be stopped within 30 seconds. Please watch. These are two 132 by 33 kV transformer. We suppose transformer 1 and transformer 2. Vector group of both transformer YN D1. That is, both transformers have star connected primary and delta connected secondary. Both star connected primary have neutral point earth, but delta connected secondaries of two transformers have no neutral points to earth. Both transformers are connected with a common bus, may be run individually or parallelly using this isolator. These are feeders to cater power to different areas. So, the bus or buses have no neutral point to earth. Therefore, the buses are unprotected from earth fault. If earth fault occurs at any of the feeders and the feeder do not trip due to any reason, it will be regarded as bus fault and having no neutral point to make earth. Subsequently, no earth fault relaying will be occurred, and the buses as well as the transformer will be damaged, and an unbalance of power supply will be occurred, which in turns causes total disruption of the system. So, earthing transformers are provided to solve this problem by creating neutral point at bus for relaying earth fault relay through neutrality to protect the bus. circuit diagram of bus protection scheme by two earthing transformers for two star delta power transformer. Two power transformers of star delta connection are made parallel by closing bus segregated isolator. When bus fault, earth fault occurs at any of the bus sections, total bus is required to be disconnected from main supply. When transformers are running individual, bus to be disconnected only that section at which earth fault occurs. A switch ETS is used for this purpose, has two modes, individual and both mode. When transformer run individual, switch ETS is kept at individual mode, and when runs parallel, ETS is to be kept at both mode. For each such power transformer, one earthing transformer is needed. When runs parallel, at least one earthing transformer must be kept in service. Thank you for watching this video.